Bakit?
Hindi kasama. Dali na.
Lakasan mo ka, lakasan mo.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Dear IGT family, hello, I feel like
Interpret mo yung sinasabi niya. Interpret mo.
I feel like writing my feelings for all of you. First, I want to say thank you much for your support and love for me and for my family.
Focus.
Yes, my family and I have gone through the tough times.
Tuloy lang.
But you're all... But still, you're all beside me. You reminds me of unconditional love.
Wow.
It's not
Lakas mga
about
matanda niya na.
IGT. It's not about how far or near, how long or short.
How low the ano?
How low the S? Joke lang.
Oy, marinig pala yan dyan.
But it's all about you and I, all of us as
You and
one. Second, let me take this chance to apologize for all my shortcomings and weaknesses. I am sorry if I did something that hurt your feelings. I hope I can make it up to you all.
Ba't iyak ka?
Pinuha na. Wala. Let this letter help to remind you all how willing I am to come to you whenever you need somebody to be with. I'm ready to listen.
Kita ang force!